Welcome to the next video of Jay's Chemistry, and our next topic is going to be precision and accuracy. So I have written the definition for precision and accuracy here. What is the definition for precision? The closeness of a set of values obtained from identical measurements of a quantity is known as precision, and this word is very important here. Identical measurements. What is accuracy? The term accuracy is defined as the agreement of a measured value. Now, when you read this definition, I think you will not be able to understand anything here. But I am going to give you an example for that, for a better understanding, right? And we are going to carry out a titration. And the teacher did the titration at first, and he found out the titer value to be 26.5 ml, and three students, namely Arun, Akash and Vijay, they carried out the same experiment, the same titration, and they recorded some values for that, and they did 4 titrations repeatedly, and the values of Arun in milliliter was found to be 24.8, 22.1, 22.1 and 22.1. And next Akash was carrying out the same experiment. The values of Akash were 28.3, 26.4, 26.4 and 26.4. Whereas Vijay carried out the same experiment and his values were 23.8, 20.2, 18.4 and 21.3. Now, whose value is going to be precise and whose value is going to be accurate? Now, what is meant by the term precise? When you are carrying out an experiment and if you are getting the same repeated values, that value is said to be a precise value, right? In case of Arun, he repeated the titration 4 times and 3 times he got the same value, and even Akash got the same value 3 times. Now, these two are precise, which means when you are repeating the same experiment, if you get the same values, it is said to be precise. Whereas in case of Vijay, he was not precise, because look at his values here. Those 3 values do not have any relation. They are entirely different from each other, which means Arun and Akash are precise, whereas Vijay is not precise. So what is meant by a precise value? A repeated value. When you get the same value repeatedly in an experiment, it is said to be a precise value. But what is accuracy? What was the exact answer actually? The answer was 26.5. Now you look at all these 3 values of Arun, Akash and Vijay. Which value is very close to 26.5? Akash value was 26.4, which was very close to 26.5. So Akash has got an accurate value. So this was the correct answer. So Akash was able to get a correct answer, which was very close to the correct answer. Now Akash is accurate, whereas these two were not accurate. Look at those values, 22, and look at his values. These two, they were not accurate. So Arun and Vijay, both were not accurate. What is meant by accuracy? The value should be coinciding with the exact value. If the experimental value coincides with the exact value, it is accurate. But precise value is a repeated value. precise value need not be accurate. So in this case, Arun was precise, but he was not accurate. Whereas was both precise and accurate. Vijay, he was not precise as well as he was not accurate. He was neither precise nor accurate. I think you will understand the meaning of precision and accuracy. Right? A precise value need not be accurate.